Kylie Jenner has given a sneak peek inside her designer wardrobe in a new video as her mini-me daughter Stormi Webster modeled some of her shoes. The makeup mogul, 24, regularly posts content on TikTok, where she has 41 million followers, and one of the latest videos featured her eldest child Stormi, 4. It showed Kylie and Stormi, whose father is musician Travis Scott, 31, modeling different pairs of heels inside the Keeping Up with the Kardashian alum's lavish closet. The closet includes several rows of stilettos, with designer handbags placed on one of the top shelves and pairs of trainers located at the bottom of the organized space. The video opens with Stormi walking in a pair of blue heels, which are oversized for her feet. Kylie then shows off some shoes herself, before Stormi dons 2 other pairs of heels. The closet caught the attention of fans, with one responding to the video, "Let's take a second to appreciate the shoes in the back." Another wrote, "I need all these shoes. Playing dress up in your closet is my childhood dream," said another person. Whilst one teased, "That's a lot of damn shoes. More than me, I only got like 5 pairs I actually wear." Another viewer was particularly interested in the row of trainers, writing, "Gimme the shoes at the bottom." Fans speculated over whether they belong to Kylie or Travis. The video, set to the song Walk by Saucy Santana, was uploaded to the social media platform yesterday, with Kylie writing, "Happy Friday." It's amassed 28 million viewers. A number of viewers took to the comments section of the post to praise Stormi's modeling, with many teasing that she could walk in heels better than they could themselves. Do you enjoy reading about celebrities? Sign up for all the best celeb news from the Mirror here. Others instead said they were distracted by what appeared to be a small rip in Stormi's pants, with one person writing, "Is no one gonna talk about the hole in Stormi's pants? The fact that Stormi's PJs have a hole in them while she walks in $1,000 shoes make it so much better," said another who included a laughing emoji in their comment. And whilst some people questioned why Kylie would let Stormi wear ripped pants, others defended the reality TV star and suggested that it makes the family relatable. "Comforting knowing even millionaire kids put holes in their clothes too," said one fan. Another said, "It's nice to see that rich people aren't always pristine. It makes them more real." Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.